Okay, revision draft exam. Here we go. Mark the position X to complete the square. Okay. Well, there's got to be a square, so there you go. X. What are the coordinates of position C? Okay, well, X is across, because it's a cross, see? Tick, cross. And the Y is a tick, and X, because it goes W, X, Y, Z in the alphabet. So the X axis goes along 5. So that's the X, that's the Y. And the Y axis, it goes up 1. So C is at 5, 1. Cool. Let's have a look at the next one. Which of the following numbers are not prime? So 2 is a prime because 1 times 2 and 2 times 1. 5 is a prime because 5 times 1, 1 times 5. 9 has 3 times 3. So that's not a prime. 11 is 11 times 1 and 1 times 11. So 9 has got 1 times 9, 9 times 1, but 3 times 3 means it's not a prime. Okay, 17, 1 times 17, and 17 times 1. 27, there's the other one. 1 times 27, 27 times 1, and 3 times 9, and 9 times 3. Definitely not a prime. Yeah. 1 is also not a prime. That's the trick question everyone gets. Describe each translation of C onto D. Okay, so let's go that corner to that corner. Okay, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 right, and then 1, 2 down. 4 right, 2 down. Okay, that's a good description. Where are we going? C to D. From C to D, we go 1 left and 1, 2, 3 down. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then down 1, 2 squares, 2 centimeters. 1 centimeter to the left, 1 left, and 1, 2, 3 down. Okay, cool, that's good. Right, what have we got over here? A, B. Write down the correct description of the translation A onto B. Okay. Slide A1 square right, slide A2 squares right. Oh, okay, it goes from this part to this part. Works for all of them. It goes 1, 2, 3 to the right. I mean, let's have a look at this part here. Also goes 1, 2, 3 centimeters to the right. 3 right. Okay, here's that one. It doesn't say tick, so I'm just going to circle it. Cool. Let's have a go at the next one. Oh, can you see that? There we go. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. Okay. Slide. Oh, this one. A to B. A to B, A to B. Okay, A to B goes, right, let's go this one to that part, the corresponding part. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeters, 1 up. 4 right, 1 square up. It's this one. Cool. That's good. Okay, let's go over here. Find the square root of 100. Square root of 100. It's 10 times 10. So the square root is 10. Okay, find the cube of 4. Something times something times something equals cubed. So that's 4 cubed equals 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Times by 4 is 64, which I can do in my head. Maybe if I give this to the year 8s, I should give them a calculator. No, let's just have the ones that can do it. 2 parallel lines are marked with arrows. Yes, this one's parallel to this one, and there's the 2 arrows. Work out the size of angle Y. Okay, this angle here. That's a right angle, so that's 90 degrees. That's 35. This one's also 35 degrees, vertically opposite. This one is corresponding, so that's 35 degrees there. Okay, so that's all. This bit here and that bit there, they add up to 90 degrees. So 35 plus something, 35 plus 55 equals 90, 80, 90, yes. And so this one must be 55 degrees. Work out 55 degrees. Okay, that wasn't too bad. In the diagram, the 2 parallel lines are marked with arrows. Find the value of x. So I think that must be on the... Oh, okay, here. Right, okay, that's 4x, that's 1x. Okay, so that angle there corresponds to that angle there, that's x. So it means that this is a straight line, so that's 180 degrees, because that's a straight line as well. 180 degrees equals 5x. So divide by 5. 180 divided by 5 is 36 degrees equals x. Paching, paching. Find out 40% of 60, well, 10% of 60 equals 6. Times it by 4. 6 times 4, 24. Paching. Half plus a quarter. Well, a half is 2 quarters already. Plus 1 quarter equals 3 quarters. Jing. It was a bit busy, isn't it? Okay, 2/3 take away a quarter, so we have to do this in twelfths. 2/3 equals how many twelfths? Okay, times by 4, so we times by 4 the top. So that's 8 twelfths. And we've got 8 twelfths, and 1 quarter equals how many twelfths? Times by 3, so 3 times the top as well. So that's 3 twelfths plus 8 twelfths is 11 twelfths. It's a bit busy, this draft exam of mine, but you know, here we go. Right. Oh, and up here, nearly missed it. 90 degrees clockwise from x. So it's got to go the same way a clock goes, and clocks tick away around that way. So let's join a line there, and that line will become there. So all of this will become all of this up here. And this bit will still be popping in that direction there. Okay, got to be careful. And there it is. The whole thing has turned 90 degrees. Paching! Clockwise. Okay, and page 2. Page 2, turning around. Right, can you see that? Here we go. Some easy questions, some harder questions for my students in Year 7. The sides of the spinner are numbered 1, 2, 3. Yes. Angela spins the spinner once. Choose the word that best describes the probability that the spinner will land on number 4. Oh, there is no number 4, so it's impossible. Okay. And the next one down. Choose the number that best describes the probability that the spinner will land on a number less than 4. Well, they're all less than 4, so it's absolutely certain. Okay, let's write impossible and certain. Okay, cool and cool. Here we go, another spinner question. Steve has a 3-sided spinner, A, B, C, yes. The sides of Steve's spinner are letters A, B, C, yes, I got that. Angela spins her spinner once. Okay, so that's Angela's spinner up there. Right. Steve then spins his spinner once. List all the possible outcomes. Well, Angela can get a 1, and Steve can get an A. Angela can get a 1, and Steve can get a B. Angela can get a 1, and Steve can get a C. Angela can get a 2, and Steve has A, 2B, 2C, and 3A, 3B, 3C. They're all the possible outcomes. Cool. The sample space. Here we go. There are 9 counters in a bag. There are 2 red, 3 green, 4 blue. Okay. Lethner takes at random a counter from the bag. Oh, okay, how many are there total? 4, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 counters. So chance of a red is 2/9. Chance of a green is 3/9. And that's the same as a third. Divide 3 the top, divide 3 that. And chance of a blue is 4/9. Does that add up to the 9 on the top? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, it does. Write down the probability she takes a blue counter. 4/9. Cool. Let's write that nicer. There we go. A white counter. There are no white ones. 0/9, also known as 0. Okay, here we go. Next one. There are only 3 buttons in a box. There is 1 pink, 1 yellow, 1 brown. Okay. Indri takes a button from the box. So 1/3 of the time it's going to be pink, 1/3 of the time it's going to be yellow, 1/3 of the time it's going to be brown. Indri takes a button from the box. If she's doing it randomly, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. She also throws an ordinary dice. Well, dices go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, list all the possible outcomes. Okay, here we go. So it could be pink 1, yellow 1, brown 1. Okay. Pink 1, yellow 1, brown 1. Pink 2, yeah, all the possible. Yellow 2, brown 2. Pink 3, it's giving me lots of space. Brown 3. Pink 4, yellow 4, brown 4. Pink 5, yellow 5, brown 5. Pink 6, yellow 6, brown 6. Okay, that was a bit laborious. I'm not sure I should have chose that one, but you choose exams, questions from the ones you've got, and then you test them. Write down the value of 7 squared. Well, 7 squared is 7 times 7, 49. So, write down the value of the square root of 25. So it's 5 times 5 equals 25. So 5 squared equals 25. So the square root of 25 is 5. Okay, write down the value of 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 2, that's 4 times 2, that's definitely 8. Paching, paching, paching. Okay, here we go, next one. Express 56 as a product of prime factors. Okay, get 56. It's an even number, so that's 2 times 28. Cool. 28 is 2 times 2 equals 56. 2 times 2 times 14 equals 56. 2 times 2 times 2 times 7 equals 56. That's 8 times 7 is 56, yes. Expressed as a product with prime factors. So 2 cubed times 7. Paching, here we go. Highest common factors. We did this one. Oh, is that in focus? There we go. Find the highest common factor of 24 and 60. Okay, 24, 60. 24 is 2 times 12, 2 times 2 times 6, 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Okay, 60 is 2 times 30. That's 2 times 2 times 15. That's 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. 4 times 15, that one works. That's 8 times 3, that one works. Okay, highest common factor. Well, they've both got 2 2s and a 3. So that's 4. They're both in the 12 times table. Yes, they are. Phew. Here we go, next one down. Express 180 as a product with prime factor. Another product with prime factors. 180 is 2 times 90, which is 2 times 2 times 45, which is 2 times 2 times 5 times 9, which is 2 times 2 times 5 times 3 times 3. 4 times 9 times 5. That would be 10. 10 times 18, yes, 180. Product, so it's 2 squared times 3 squared times 5. Can you see that? Okay, cool. Keep going, it's getting dark. Right, 36 is the product. So apply that way, we have 36. 2 times 18, 2 times 2 times 9, 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. That equals 18, because it's 36. That's 6, and that's also 636, yes. 2 squared times 3 squared. Okay, here we go. Go as fast as we can so we can time this thing. And before it gets dark outside, and I lose my light. Okay, here we go. Describe fully the single transformation that maps shape P to shape Q. Well, it's an enlargement factor. And it goes, that's 2 up, and that's 2, 4, 3. Enlargement factor 3. From 0. So that's 2, is a 6. Yes! Center 0, 0. There we go. So that would be our straight lines going out, fanning out, fanning out, fanning out. That distance is 3 times. So that's why it's factor 3. Fantastic. What is the lowest common multiple of 24 and 32? The lowest common multiple. Okay, 24, 32. No, I'm going to break it up. So, okay, to get 24, I've got, and to get 32, they're both in the 2 times table. Okay, so 24 is 2 times 12, which is 2 times 2 times 6, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, 4 times 6, 24, yes. 32 is 2 times 16, which is 2 times 2 times 8, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That's 4, 16, yes. Okay, so this has got 3 2's in the middle, a 3 over there, there's the 3 2's, 2 more 2's. Okay, lowest common multiple is going to be all of this. The highest common factor is easy, that's 8. But all of this will be 32 times 3. There's 32, and then I just times by 3. 32 times 3 is 96. So, 24 times by 4 is 96. 480, 96. Yes, there we go, over here. Right. Square B is an enlargement of square A, yes. What is the scale factor of the enlargement? Well, 1 has become 3, so it's 3. There we go. Next one. Square A is moved 4 squares to the left. On the grid, draw a new position. Okay, 4 squares. 1, 2, I'm going to do this bit here. 3, 4. There it goes. Let's just check that this bit has also gone 4 squares to that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. There he is. Right. On the space below, draw accurately a square with sides of length 4 centimetres. Oh, okay, I've got to use a ruler. There you go. I didn't bring a ruler. Centre of enlargement 0, scale factor 2. Okay, draw the lines, straight lines, use a ruler. Okay, and double that distance to there. There, yes. It's double the size. Fantastic. Good luck with your exams, guys. Bye.